Hello everybody, Matador here again with your afternoon video. It's still June 4th, it's Thursday, and we've been rocketing higher all day long on some good news. So, well, good for some people. So, not so good for others, but maybe that's what's deserved. So, bank, energy stocks, pull market higher. Oil rockets up, which is helpful. Anyway, so we have a great amount of news. This is amazing to me. Bigger is better. Bank stocks could double or triple from here, says Doug Cass. Anyway, amazing to think about how people can quickly turn from such abject bears into bulls, but it's hard to smack in the face of this information. So we do have a really nice high base forming here now. It's been there 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. We are hovering above all the moving averages, including Big Red. Still have some trouble though. Back in this area, I would keep this 95 area as great resistance, as gap fill back here, and then of course the Century Market 100. So if we can hold up again in this area, that would be fantastic. And that's exactly why 95 is being troublesome, this whole area here. And even though the broad markets were able to move up after the gap up and a sell-off, made some higher swing highs and higher swing lows, we still had trouble with this gap back here. And not at all surprising. These people need a chance to get out of pain. They're going to take it, but that is a great retest many times today of this 95 area. So that'll actually make it a little bit easier to chew through this in the future. So that's what we've got going on. There's a lot of great relative strength stocks, but in the face of this, a little bit more difficult to go long today, especially toward the end of the day when things were just starting to inch up here on the trend. So the trend Q was amazing, where it kind of started out higher, but barely, and sold off at the end of the day. And the VIX, which again is a tiebreaker often, just made this nice descending triangle slash symmetrical triangle on a little 15-minute chart. You can see that better on a 3-minute chart even. Here is the symmetrical triangle I had drawn at around noon. It failed. That was helpful to the markets right back down to support. And so technically things working out very well when you get to be able to read these things. It can really shore up or disprove your opinion about individual stocks going forward, and that's a really nice thing to have in your camp. So that's what we're driving toward. Again, watch the 95 area. Even though this looks amazing on a 3-minute chart, this is just a very short time frame. Remember what we've got overhead. Very good. So watch the economic news coming out tomorrow. I'll be there with you for 3 videos tomorrow also, and even spend some time in the chat room with you if you want to come on in and check out the water. We'll be there. So I hope you have a great night, and post your comments. I'll try to get to some questions maybe even later this evening. So take care, everybody. Good day.